Hello and good morning. My name is Christopher, an amateur weather observer, and welcome to a new episode of my daily backyard weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Monday, June 17th, 2024, 8:30 in the morning. Mix of sun and clouds at 5 octas. Temperature 16.8 degrees Celsius. And the pressure is rising at 1016.9 millibars. And the air quality reading is low at 5.4 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, no rain in the past 24 hours, and that zero measurement will be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN 646. Well, if you live in southern Ontario, you might have heard that we are expecting a heat wave this week. In fact, Environment Canada issued a heat alert for a large portion of our region where daytime temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s and with the humidex reading into the 40s. One tip I could advise if you're gonna be outdoors is hydration, especially if you're gonna be in the playground with your kids, or if you're gonna walk around the neighborhood, or you're a runner like myself. Make sure you hydrate properly. Typically what I do 1 to 2 hours before I go running is I check the color of my urine. Well, they said a crude approximation of how hydrated you are is to check the color of your pee. So if it's too dark, which means you might take some drink some water because you need some hydration at that point. So typically that's a way to make sure that you're fully hydrated before you go to your run. And of course, when you're running, if you have access to water, make sure you sip some water as well. And since you'll be sweating, make sure that you also replenish your electrolytes after you run. So if you're gonna be doing some running today, make sure you hydrate yourself and check your pee before to make sure that the color is not too dark. If it is, then drink some water before you go for a run. Well, that's my tip for today. There'll be new tip for tomorrow, so stay tuned. But friends, wherever you are, remember that the sun is always there and the clouds shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. Have a great day, everyone, and be hydrated. See you again tomorrow. Take care.